Welcome to the channel. If you're tired of manually cleaning your pool or just want to spend more time swimming and less time scrubbing, a robotic pool cleaner is a game changer. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best pool cleaner robots, handpicked for their performance, efficiency, ease of use, and smart features. Whether you've got an above-ground or in-ground pool, these robotic helpers will keep your water crystal clear with minimal effort. Check the description below for the latest prices and full product specs. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next gear guide. Let's dive in, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Nepturox Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Nepturox SAT25 Robotic Pool Vacuum is designed for precise and efficient pool cleaning. Its industrial-grade Caterpillar tread system provides excellent traction on pool drains, steps, corners, and uneven surfaces, ensuring smooth mobility without slipping. Equipped with an advanced sonar-based navigation system, it intelligently scans and maps the pool to optimize cleaning paths, reducing operation time and avoiding redundant overlap. The vacuum features a seamless one-touch activation. Just press a button and drop it in, with no setup or programming needed. It offers adaptive multi-mode cleaning with floor, wall, and full coverage options, making it suitable for pools made of tile, concrete, vinyl, or fiberglass. Powered by dual 180W brushless motors with IP68 grade water resistance, the Nepturox SAT25 delivers powerful suction and quiet, durable operation. This robotic vacuum effectively cleans debris ranging from leaves to fine particles, ensuring a sparkling pool with minimal effort. Number 4. WYBOT C1 Cordless Pool Cleaner. The WYBOT OS 7010C 2025 is a powerful 4-in-1 automatic pool master designed for in-ground swimming pools. This lightweight robot effortlessly cleans floors, walls, water lines, and stairs, climbing slopes up to 45 degrees with triple motors that enhance its climbing ability. Equipped with an upgraded independent water pump motor, it delivers 2x stronger suction to remove debris, sand, leaves, and algae. Dual PVC brushes grip tile, mosaic, or glass surfaces firmly while avoiding stuck scenarios for continuous cleaning. Featuring Smart Navigation 3.0, you can control the cleaner via an app, customize routes, or activate Auto Smart Mode. High-precision sensors map your pool's shape and use S-path or N-path routes for 100% coverage, regardless of pool shape. Its large top-load filter basket with 180-micron mesh traps fine dirt and rinses easily without tools. With a 120 to 150-minute cordless runtime and fast recharge, WYBOT offers extended cleaning for pools up to 1,614 square feet. Lifetime technical support and a 24-month warranty provide reliable peace of mind. Number 3. Iper S2 Robotic Solar Pool Cleaner. The Iper Surfer S2 Robotic Solar Pool Skimmer delivers efficient 24/7 cleaning powered by solar energy, ensuring continuous operation with sufficient sunlight. On cloudy days, a single charge via the DC adapter supports up to 35 hours of cleaning. It features industry-leading 150-micron filtration and a debris guard anti-leak design that effectively captures all types of debris. The skimmer holds 3-inch chlorine tablets for consistent water sanitation. The companion app lets you start or stop the device, set custom cleaning schedules, steer remotely, track cleaning progress, view history, and receive instant blockage alerts. Equipped with dual sensors and Iper's smart algorithms, it excels at obstacle avoidance and precise edge cleaning, reaching hard-to-access pool corners. 4 retractable anti-stranding columns prevent it from getting stuck on pool steps, while obstruction alerts ensure uninterrupted cleaning. Built with UV-resistant materials, the Surfer S2 withstands harsh weather and includes a 24-month product care warranty for long-lasting durability. Number 2. Beta Solar Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Beta SE Solar Pool Skimmer operates 100% on solar power, automatically and continuously cleaning your pool's surface by removing debris such as leaves, dust, pollen, pet hair, and other floating particles. Featuring an advanced aquadynamics design, it provides up to 30 hours of continuous cleaning on a single charge, even in rainy or cloudy conditions. The unit recharges swiftly within 5 to 6 hours under direct sunlight while cleaning, ensuring minimal downtime and maximum efficiency. Powered by patented twin salt chlorine tolerant (SCT) motors, the propellers deliver reliable, energy-efficient performance suitable for both freshwater and saltwater pools. Its large, fine mesh 200-micron debris basket with a top handle allows easy cleaning without removing the device from the pool. UV-resistant materials protect it from sun damage, while 4 water-depth bumper rods and ultrasonic radar enable obstacle detection and avoidance. The Beta SE requires a minimum water depth of 5 inches and is not suitable for infinity pools. It includes a 1-year warranty. Number 1. Dolphin Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Nautilus CC offers powerful wall scrubbing capabilities, efficiently climbing walls to deliver thorough cleaning on any pool surface, regardless of the material. While this model does not clean the waterline, its active scrubbing brush eliminates manual effort by gently yet effectively removing debris and dirt. Maintaining the pool is simple thanks to the easy-to-access top-load filter basket, which allows you to remove trapped debris quickly for crystal-clear water and an enhanced swimming experience. The Nautilus CC features a convenient plug-and-play design. Just plug it in, drop it into the pool, and enjoy a spotless clean in about 2 hours. Backed by Dolphin's 40-year legacy, this robotic cleaner combines unmatched performance, durability, and energy savings, making pool maintenance effortless and cost-effective. Whether you have a residential or commercial pool, the Dolphin Nautilus CC is your reliable solution for hassle-free cleaning. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.